In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix file is in owner's trash in Google Drive Easy Fix. By the end, you'll know how to get past the file is in owner's trash message in Google Drive by requesting access and having the owner restore the file so the link opens normally. First, open the file link. On the screen, you'll see the Google Drive page load and the message that the file is in the owner's trash. This means the person who owns the file moved it to their trash, so it can't be viewed until they bring it back. Next, click Request Access. You'll find this button on the page with the error message. Click it once and wait for the confirmation that your request was sent. This alerts the file owner that you're trying to open the link. If you don't click Request Access, they may not know you need the file restored. Yes, if you know the owner, ask them to restore the file. A quick message to the owner is usually the fastest way to fix this. Let them know you opened the link, clicked Request Access, and you're seeing file is in owner's trash. Tell them you need the file restored so the link will work again. Ask them to open trash. On their Google Drive screen, the trash section is available in the left sidebar. They should click trash to view items they recently deleted. Ask them to find the file. On their trash page, they can scroll or use the search bar at the top to look for the file name or keywords. If the file was deleted recently, it should be near the top. They should confirm it's the correct file by checking the name and, if needed, the preview. Ask them to click Restore. With the file selected in trash, the owner should click Restore. Yet this moves the file back to its original location in their drive and reactivates access for anyone it was shared with. Reassure them this action is safe. Restore does not delete anything or change sharing by itself. It just brings the file back from trash. If not restorable, ask for a new copy or re-upload. Sometimes a file can't be restored, for example, if it was permanently removed or if the trash was emptied. In that case, ask the owner to provide a fresh copy of the file or upload it again and share the link. A new upload will create a new link, so you may need that updated link to access the content. Once that's done, go back to your original link and refresh the page. If the owner restored the file, the Google Drive preview should load normally and you'll be able to open, view, or download the file without seeing the trash message. If they shared a new copy, open the new link they provided to access the file. That's it. The file is in owner's trash issue and Google Drive is now fixed and the file is accessible again. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.